and therefore AB, Danko, you have just proven it, is equal to sine theta plus that multiplied by cos, and therefore you go sine theta. Alright guys, let me see you on the next one. I am Gaston Mapala. I'll see you on the next upload. If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please give this channel a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends and your classmates, and to make sure that we go ahead and get those distinctions. What's up? Welcome back to yet another one. Now let's have a look at this question here. It is saying that we need to prove that B is equals to D sine theta plus beta multiplied by cos theta all over sine alpha. So now if we have a look at this, we have got two triangles right here. There's a triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. So now if you look at these two triangles, to come this side, we need to find one of the sides here, because this side is a right angle triangle, triangle number 1, and it only has this, doesn't have a side. But what connects it is DB, connects it to triangle number 2. So what we can do right here, we need to find this angle right here. We know how to find this one. Is going to be 180 minus alpha plus beta. Why? Because the sum of angles in a triangle. This is Euclidean geometry, guys, so you should know this by now. All right, so we have got that. So what we can do now, we can therefore use sine rule to find dB. So in this case, we can say dB is going to be all over sine C, which is that angle there, and then we look for the one that has got a side, which is CB all over sine D rather, all over sine D in this case. All right, so let's go ahead and substitute. We are looking for B for dB all over sine, that is going to be sine in this case 180 minus in bracket alpha plus beta all in bracket is equal to D all over sine alpha in this case. So anything, like I said earlier, anything that has got a 180 minus into brackets, as long as it's a sine, it will therefore just be sine whatever is in the brackets. All right, therefore it means in this case our dB will be therefore all over sine whatever is in the bracket. What is in the bracket is alpha plus beta. The sine one integers goes away, therefore this is D all over sine alpha. Therefore we look for dB. In this case, we make dB the subject of the formula. So dB would be equals to, if we cross multiply here or multiply by sine alpha plus beta, it doesn't matter, guys, we just make it the subject of the formula, alpha beta, there you go, all over sine alpha. Great stuff. So now once we did this, it means this side, it is known, we know this side now. So what would link this side and AB? So I have already told you guys, if you see a 90 degrees there, it's a right angle triangle. Right angle triangles with either we use sine, cos or tan. So now in this case, now let's have a look at this one here. Which one is going to be AB, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is DB, is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse is given to us by cos theta. All right, so I'm looking for what? I'm looking for dB. I can make dB subject to the formula AB is equals to dB cos theta. So in this case, one of my learners, I like it. One of my learners said to me, say, if you were to make dB subject to the formula, it would, if you were to make AB and then you substitute back there, it's, so what you can do in this case, you say dB, make dB subject to the formula divided by cos, is it? Yeah, divide this by cos theta, divide by cos theta. This is what you are looking for. Cancel out. So therefore dB in this case would be AB all over cos theta. So therefore, you already know what is dB in this case here. You know what is dB in this case. You know what is dB. So therefore, dB and dB, they will be equal to each other. Dialekan. All right, there you go. Ziaringan. Sharp. So now dB and dB, they are the same. So it's going to be AB then. Cos theta. And then this is the other AB there. D sine theta plus beta. Close bracket all over sine theta. Therefore, we just multiply by both sides by cos theta. Therefore, you multiply both sides by cos theta. Cos would cancel out, and therefore, AB, danko, you have just proven it, is equal to sine theta plus that multiplied by cos. And therefore you go sine theta. Alright guys, let me see you on the next one. I am Gaston Mapala. I'll see you on the next upload. If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please give this channel a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends and your classmates, and to make sure that we go ahead and get those distinctions.